Finding emeralds in Disney Dreamlight Valley can be tricky, but don't worry. First, let's start with one of the best places to look, the Forest of Valor. The emeralds spawn in the mining spots scattered around this area, so keep your eyes open. Next, if you want to speed things up, use the pickaxe. It's going to help break rocks and uncover hidden emeralds faster. Another great tip is to bring Moana along with you. She helps you to find more gems as you collect them together. For even more emeralds, try fishing in the Glade of Trust area. Sometimes you can fish out emeralds from special fishing spots. Also, check out the mystical cave that appears randomly. This cave is full of treasures, including emeralds. Finally, remember to complete quests for characters like Mickey Mouse and Goofy. They can give you emeralds as rewards. Ready to find some emeralds and have fun? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on Disney Dreamlight Valley. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.